Hey guys, how to fix Android app not installed problem. For our security, our phone isn't allowed to install unknown apps. If you download APK file, for example from Google Chrome, then go to the Downloads. For this, in right upper corner tap three dots, then tap Downloads, and then select our APK file. It's error because we install unknown apps, but in Samsung phone there is a settings option. Later I'll tell you what to do if you haven't the settings options here. We tap settings and transfer to the install unknown apps. Here we need to enable our Google Chrome as an application from which we can install unknown apps. Next, we can select install or update if you also have this application. Tap update or install and it installing. That's okay. But what to do if we haven't the settings link? Then go to the settings, tap settings or this app installed, and in settings find our install chapter. Click find and type install. Then choose install unknown apps. Then choose install unknown apps again. And here we can turn on Chrome browser if we install our APK files from here, or we can turn on any file manager which we use to install our APK file. If you have any questions, leave the comments, see other videos on the channel. Thanks for the watching, good luck and goodbye.